Elegant.
For greater success, for stardom, for achievement of all our dreams and desires. Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, 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 hooray! Music! The fear of many parents, as you people observe about their children and music, you have annulled it. Yes. I'm going to be an ambassador of talking about elegant music. Because I won't say all the parents. Some parents don't really understand what parenting is actually means. True. I did not come with my son here because I feel I should support him. As a little boy, I grew him up. And he came up. If I asked him, can you do this? He said, music. Are you doing that? He said, music. Wow. I decided to talk to you because of one thing. I entered into this place suspicious. But I've seen that elegant music empire is purpose driven. I thought it was about singing and dancing, presenting our work. I didn't know we are here to make speeches on positivity about life. Wow. If any of you goes home today and remain as you are being negatively, you are not a serious person. Sure. May looking at them, especially the Oga Pata Pata, you may think he's just one of those boys outside. But listening to him today has proved that we will still get it right.